Hi, I'm Dean Salthouse, and I want to just take you through some docking and manoeuvring characteristics of the 44. As you can see, the boat moves quite slowly through the water. Its maximum speed at idle when just in gear is 4 knots. So it's a very gentle and very easy boat to manoeuvre speed-wise. It doesn't happen too quickly. You can see just using the bow thruster to enhance or speed up the rate of turn. I've basically got one engine forward, port engine in forward and starboard engine in reverse just to rotate the boat. And you'll notice that the boat tends to rotate more around the aft end of the window position. So that's because of the skeg keel underneath the boat. So when you're backing, the boat tends to want to go straight. So the big skeg keel at the back overrides the rudder and makes it very predictable to manoeuvre. So what I've done here is I've just got the boat moving slowly backwards, and then I use my starboard engine into forward gear to pull the boat stern across the starboard side, and I can use my port engine also to in reverse to pull the stern around as well to the starboard side. Visibility out the window is good. Looking down the side, here I don't have a finger, so I'm looking down the centre of the boat just at the transom behind to see how far back to the dock. And it's very easy to judge and see the distance you have. You don't need cameras or anything because you can physically see it. Here we are again, just showing again the rate of turn. So one engine in forward, one in reverse. Very important to have the boat as stationary as possible when you start the turn, so the boat will just rotate. As it starts to gain speed, usually in the forward direction, I just take that throttle out of gear, out of forward, and let the boat stop rotating forward, and it'll just continue to spin. Once it's stopped, it starts ever so slightly going backwards, I'll re-engage the port throttle into forward again to continue the speeding up of the turn. Very predictable, very manoeuvrable. I've chosen a very small slip here. This is actually a 12-metre slip for the 13.5-metre boat, so it's very tight. I wanted to show you coming alongside a finger. You can see as we rotate the boat that we go ever so slightly past being perfectly lined up for the finger. And it's just very easy to fix that by walking the boat, as I said before. You can use the starboard engine in reverse to pull the boat to the port side. So you'll see we're just past where we would be if it was perfect. So I'm going to bring the stern up, see the stern walking up. And then I can use my thruster just to line up as well if I wanted to. So just gently into the dock. It's lovely that it doesn't have a big bite in the props when you put it in and out of gear. So it makes the manoeuvring very, very gentle. You can see I've got good visibility down the side of the dock, and I'm also looking at the stern now as to how far back I can come in. I'm using my thruster just to keep it off the dock so I'm not scraping.